Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with KuCoin. For exchange news, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the KuCoin website. Look for the sign up button on the home page and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. After entering your email or phone number, create a secure password for your account. Make sure to select a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have filled in your details, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will receive a verification email or SMS, depending on your registration method. Open the email or SMS and find the verification code sent by KuCoin. Enter the verification code in the designated field on the KuCoin website. After verifying your account, you may be prompted to complete additional identity verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your identification documents if required. Once your account is set up, you can log in using your email or phone number and your password. Enter your preferences and confirm your subscription. You should now receive regular updates and news from KuCoin. Enjoy the latest features and insights directly to your inbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.